This is what traps artists, especially tattoo artists, from being broke. It's like the worst thing ever, and I don't want it to exist for us anymore. So we got to do things a little bit differently, okay? So I want you to think like big game here. I want you to give yourself space and time to dream, to think bigger, to visualize like what do you want your lifestyle to be like as an artist? Like, what are we doing here? Are we just like running out, cranking out like whatever anyone wants us to tattoo? Are we making the art we want to make? Are we even putting the art out there that we want to make? The tattoo portfolio workshop I do inside the artist bundle is going to help you with that. But I want you to be thinking about these things. Like, when someone contacts you and it wants a price, are you lowballing it because you want to get that business? Or are you sticking to a solid price that makes you feel good? It's competitive, right? Because we're in business, but is it a price that's going to burn you out and make you resentful? Or is it a price that's going to make you feel good? And like, yeah, I mean, like that's a decent tattoo, like a quality price. Because when you price for the value, you are going to attract the right kind of people who align with high value tattooing. So, like I said in that last video, there's different levels of tattooers, different kinds of tattooers. There's the kind of like the all-around great, well-rounded tattooer that can do anything, like thrives in a walk-in shop or on Ink Master. Or are you really going to like hone into and niche down into a style that you feel really good about, that you feel really like you want to own this style and like take it as far as you can? Like, what is that? And and the people that are going to care about that are going to care about it because you care about it. Because you highly value your work, they will too. I promise you. And you've got to show up as such and claim that space and own it and enjoy that process. It's about high value, valuing yourself, and really being in joy with creating that work, talking about that work, making that work, filming yourself making that work. Like, really fall in love with this creation process for you, with your style.